Hello, my fellow Fujoshis. This is BL Fanadits, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Welcome to BL News of the Week. There are some interesting new things that happened in the BL world this week. So, without further ado, let's get started. Best news this week is that Studio Wabi Sabi is coming up with a new series called 7 Projects starring Santa and Earth in the main roles. We don't know what this drama is going to be about, but from the teaser we can see that we will also be getting our favorite couple Bon and Prem as with the main leads. Also, there will be a lesbian couple with Samantha and Pinari. I also spotted Perth and Plan in the teaser, so it's safe to say that this show is going to be one of the biggest releases of this year. I was waiting for Kuhat to have his own series as the main lead, as his acting has always been top notch. And we all know Santa Earth chemistry is amazing off screen, so I can only imagine how fire it's going to be on the screen too. The final cast members of the Thai BL series The Theory has been revealed. Although we don't have much information about the plot of the series, it looks like there will be a lot of newcomer couples as well as familiar faces like Dome from Two Moons 2 and B. Benz from Love Mechanics the series. Moo Ji-soo recently posted a video on his Instagram with his Because of You colleague Lee Shi-kang. Together they were shooting for the second season of the Taiwanese drama. The story is set to follow after the events of COVID-19 and continue the relationships of the three brothers. Jimmy and Tommy starring Korean BL drama Peach of Time poster has been released. The story depicts a joyful love story from beyond death. Yuno is a ghost who cannot leave the human's realm because of his grudge. He will then live a love story with a human. Love Area series, which was originally going to be aired on 8 May, has been postponed due to the surge of COVID-19 cases in Thailand. They will announce the release date once the COVID situation comes under control. Love Area is a story of Valen, a young man born on Valentine's Day but has never known love, not even the love of his parents, and he meets someone who has shown him love and compassion. A new BL series was announced this week, which is co-produced by Saint from Love by Chance and Why Are You. The name of the series is Secret Crush on You. Billy and Seng are playing the main leads, and the story is about a guy who has a secret crush on his senior for the past 3 years. Fate gives him an opportunity to come closer to his crush. With Fate, I mean Saint acting as the Cupid. Will the boy be able to confess to his crush? This series is directed by the director of Why Are You and Make It Right, so I have high hopes for this one. Cutie Pie the series is another upcoming BL starring Z and New. The story is about the sons of two companies who are engaged to each other. One doesn't want an arranged marriage while the other wants to win him over. First of all, the concept of a gay arranged marriage is very innovative, and I'm excited to see how this will play out in the series. In the teaser, New is looking extremely cute and charming, and Z is looking his usual handsome self. So I can't wait for this one to come out. So this week has been all about exciting new announcements. If you want to stay updated about latest news and gossips in the BL world, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.